When it comes to installing new windows in your home, the quality of the installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. In Clinton Township, where the weather can be unpredictable, ensuring your windows are installed properly is essential for energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Unfortunately, many homeowners make costly mistakes during the installation process that can lead to issues down the road. To help you avoid these common pitfalls, here are the top mistakes to watch out for during window installation. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of window for their home. Windows come in a variety of styles and materials, including vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and aluminum, and each type offers different benefits depending on your needs. For instance, if you live in an area of Clinton Township where winters are harsh, you may want to choose windows with better insulation properties, such as double or triple pane windows. Failing to choose the appropriate type for your home can result in poor energy efficiency, higher utility bills, and reduced comfort. Before you purchase your windows, take the time to research the different types and consult with a professional. A qualified installer can help guide you in choosing the best window style and material to fit your home's needs. Improper measurement and sizing. Accurate measurements are crucial for a successful window installation. If your windows aren't properly sized for your openings, the result could be gaps that allow drafts, moisture, and even pests to enter your home. An improperly sized window can also lead to poor insulation, making your home less energy efficient. It's essential that you hire a professional who knows how to measure your window openings correctly. Although you may think you can do it yourself, the margin for error is minimal, and a wrong measurement can lead to costly repairs. Neglecting proper sealing. Sealing is one of the most important aspects of window installation. Windows that aren't properly sealed will allow air to escape, undermining the energy efficiency of your home. Additionally, improper sealing can lead to water infiltration, causing damage to your walls, sills, and framing. It's vital that your windows are sealed tightly during installation to prevent any leaks or drafts. Ensure that the installer uses high-quality weatherproofing materials and techniques to properly seal the edges of your windows. A good seal is crucial for keeping your home comfortable year-round, especially in Clinton Township, where temperatures can fluctuate. Skipping professional installation. While DIY window installation might seem like a cost-saving option, it often leads to disastrous results. Even if you manage to get the window in place, improper installation can affect the window's functionality, longevity, and energy efficiency. Furthermore, poor installation can void any warranties and leave your home vulnerable to issues like water damage or air leaks. Hiring a professional window installer ensures that the job is done right the first time. Professionals have the expertise, tools, and experience to ensure your windows are installed correctly and will perform as expected. In Clinton Township, where weather conditions can be challenging, professional installation is key to ensuring the durability of your windows. Not considering long-term maintenance. Windows are a long-term investment, and it's essential to think about the maintenance required to keep them functioning properly over the years. Choosing windows that are difficult to maintain or failing to plan for upkeep can lead to problems later on. For instance, certain window types may require more frequent cleaning or sealing, while others may need specialized maintenance to keep them in optimal condition. Before committing to any window installation, ask the installer about the long-term care of the windows. Consider the type of material, how easy it is to maintain, and whether any special maintenance or repairs will be needed down the road. Overlooking local building code. Clinton Township, like many other areas, has specific building codes that must be followed during window installation. These codes ensure that your windows meet safety, energy, and aesthetic standards. Failing to follow local building codes can result in fines, delays, and the need to replace windows that don't meet regulations. Make sure your installer is familiar with the local codes and that the windows being installed are compliant. It's worth checking with the Clinton Township Building Department if you have any concerns about the requirements for window installation in your area. Ignoring the need for proper insulation. Many homeowners overlook the importance of proper insulation around the window frame. Even if the window itself is energy efficient, gaps around the frame can lead to air leaks and heat loss. Proper insulation is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature and reducing your energy bills. Be sure that the installer insulates the window frame correctly to prevent any gaps or drafts. This is especially important in Clinton Township, where extreme temperatures can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. Final thoughts. Window installation in Clinton Township can significantly improve the look, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home. By avoiding these common mistakes and hiring a professional installer, you can ensure that your new windows will provide long-lasting benefits. Whether you're replacing old, inefficient windows or installing new ones, taking the time to make the right choices and avoiding these errors will save you money, hassle, and frustration in the long run.